Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change a font in Notion. It's very easy. So all you do is come here at the top right and you will see these three dots. So I want you to go ahead and click on this. Okay. And now we can access this menu. Here at the top, you will see three different font options they have available inside Notion. So I want you to go and select your desired font. So this one is really good for publishing. And as soon as I click on this one, the font will change instantly. And the chosen style basically will be applied to the entire page. So for example, let me click on this one. As you can see, everything has changed. And now this is the font selected. I can also choose this one. And there you go. It has changed again. And if you want, you can always come back to the default one. Okay? It's really that easy and simple.